needs a doctor today. I hope that everything will be okay. Dr. Hamilton? Yes, Katie? What do you think when a patient will come? I don't know. I have no idea. But the medicine room is packed. Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't need to worry to fill it up? Yeah, you don't. No need to. Okay, but okay. Some women just need to do their own thing. Excuse me, sir. Hey there. My head. Stupid. Dang. Hello. What can I help you with? My paw is broken. You mean your arm, right? Yeah. Keys and your name, and then you have to wait. Ah! Ow. Yeah, No. It's okay. Okay, there we go. You could go away to the waiting room. Oh, what was that? Oh, a medicine bottle. That's usual. Okay. I wonder what other people will be coming today. You better keep the door open so that some of the people could get some air. Yeah. There we go. It's nice and open. Okay. Honey, get over here. You are sick, so you better come over here, or you won't get the whole fortune in our house. Ow! Hi, ma'am. Don't say hi to me just like that. My daughter is sick. I think all of her classmates were sick and all, and now my daughter, now she keeps sneezing, coughing all day long. Do something for your life. Jeez. Miss, what do you want? I told you, fix something now. Where's the doctor? Where's the nurse? What the heck? They're over there. Yes, but where are the real doctors and nurses? This is a hospital, right? No, ma'am. This is just Dr. Hamilton's place. Oh, it's not a hospital? How stupid are you? You have to sign your paper. Why do I have to do everything? You might my slave, but I'm a grown pup, so like I can do what I want. Fine. There. That's your name. She is the grumpiest woman I ever met. Shut up! Okay, honey, come over here. Mom, why? I'm scared. You have to. Oh, you won't get the fortune. Like, did you want the fortune? You're so stupid. You're so stupid. Okay. You're so stupid. Oh, ma'am, can you come down? No, I cannot come down. This is outrageous. Like, why can people do something for their life? Ow, my heel. Be quiet, don't be dramatic. I'm the queen. Honey, come in now. Okay, but I'm scared. Like, I don't like to go here, you know. I'm nervous and I just don't want to do it. Oh, okay, Mom. Get your butt in here now. Fine, Mom. Such the angriest mother I ever had. Get in the house phone. Get this here. Hello. Hello. You almost sneezed in my face. Throw in the garbage. That's like a fortune. I do not care, and you should have broke my fortune. And now look. Fine, Mom. So disgusting. You do something for your lunch, for your life. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good, but it's like fantasy. Wow. Get on the chair. But what's wrong with you? Oh, I just have a broken paw. Well, guess what? I am sick. You're sick? Yeah, I'm sick. And my mom thinks I should go here. Like, why? Like, I can do whatever I want. I'm a grown woman. You're not. You're a teenager. Oh, yeah. Well, that counts as a woman, bro. Fine. There goes my dramatic little honey. Gigi's BP. That is not my name. Yeah, that Justin Spielberg. Follow me. Just a little shy today. Okay. You guys have a great time. Yeah, she's a little bit shy. Okay, what can I do for you? Well, I broke my paw. Ooh, let me check if we have any bandages. Then I'll see. Or you could just buy them, but I will just, but just hop, okay? Bandages. Nope. Only, I see is medicine, pill, medicine. Come here, though, medicine. Sorry, there's no medicine. I mean, bandages. But, can you, go to a store and get them? Yeah. Okay, I'll try. Ow, 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 ow. Whoa! Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Honey, your cold is getting worse. Wait! Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Can't I... Miss! Ow! Why do I keep falling? This is not possible. Miss, what? Can I talk to her? Like, how's she feeling? And, like, how she gets a cold or, like, stuff like that. You're not a doctor. You're just a boy. Oh. Ow. You could go now. I wonder what other people come here to get some company. Well, this is gonna be nonsense, but I'm gonna have to tell you. To get your shot today, like you haven't did it for 5 years. 5 years? Like what the heck are you, a dum-dum? Another me mom, and there goes another me mom. Hello. My name is Kenzie, but you could just call me Mackenzie, like, because I'm so beautiful. No. I'm beautiful. Yeah, I could tell by your glitter. Okay, what seems to be our problem? Well, I haven't took my... Shut up! Okay, so, like, my daughter hasn't, got, any shots, like, in, like, 5 years, and, I'm wondering, if that's a why, but I could do that for her, because I'm just a child. Yes, you are. Yeah, like, so beautiful. There you go. So beautiful. Hashtag nursing. Hi. What's your name? Shut up. Okay. Gosh, loser. Hi. I am Catherine. What's your name? Mom. Ew. Mom, you just can't leave me here. That's illegal. Ow! Why? You know that's illegal if you left. I know. I'm just looking around here. Looking around. Stop chopping with your big paws, you know. Like, can you shut up? You told me to shut up. You're in big trouble, Missy. Oh well. Oh well. Oh wow, y'all been sneezing like a lot. I know, and I don't know where the tissues are. Oh, there's one. There is one right here. I don't know how it got here. And there's one up here. And I don't know how it got here either. Okay. Thanks. Ow, my ears! Sorry, loser. What is that? Honey! Oh what things do sorry, it's just my allergies. Yeah. Are you sure that's it? Yeah, it's just your allergies, guys. No need to worry. Wow, so much sneezing going on. I wish I got a mask. Shut up! Okay, but, Catherine Simpson. Here. You can take the tissue. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm coming. You know, I'm coming. You don't have to go. Good thing that I found those last two tissues. You've been sneezing all over the place. It rocked this beautiful. Okay, let's stop talking about laws. Okay, what seems to be the problem, Captain Simpson? I have a bad cold, you know. Oh, okay. I'll go get some medicine for your mom. Ow! I'll go get some medicine right now. Do you need the medicine? Sorry. I have allergies too now. That's okay. He don't get me more sick. No, I'm fine. I'm not sick, but I just have allergies. Something's in here that gives me allergies. Something's so Sprinkle. Dr. Hamilton, are you okay? You've been sneezing 2 times. Actually 3 now. I think. I just have allergies. There's some kind of pepper in here. What kind of? Let's see. Any medicine? Oh, there we go. This one will do. Yeah. Something's in here. Here is the medicine that you will need for her. Only take it at 9:14 in the morning. 9:14. Yeah. 9:14. You do it, not later, like at 1 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Where's the spoon? Oh shoot. Come on. Look out. I definitely forgot it. It was somewhere. Okay, should I just read it next one? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Pour it. For the spoon. Perfect. Here, sweetie. Thanks. It's actually pretty good if you don't mind it. I'm feeling a little bit better. Thanks. Oh, no. Oh, excuse me. Yes, no problem. Okay, see you then. Come on, Mom. Get your phone. Honey, there's so much things to carry. What's going on? Miss, I found something. Look, there's something under my table. What? There's pepper. There's pepper? Oh, who put pepper? Like, in my doctor's office, like... That's like a bad thing to like do. Like, wait, let me try it. Like, sprinkle it. Let's try it. Oh my gosh! Why? Oh my gosh! My eyes are. Achoo! We'll calm you down, Dr. Hamilton. Hamilton. It's okay. You're just getting stretched. Yeah, you're just getting stretched straight. Yeah. She's falling right through my plate. Ooh! You did. I already knew that. Get out here, stupid. Woo! Oh. Come on, sweetie. Go to Richika. I don't want to right now, doctor. Chew! Oh, no. Honey. Now you got from Dr. Hamilton. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now everybody's sneezing. Okay. Honey. It's okay, I'm done sneezing. But, Dr. Hamilton, are you okay? Yes, I'm very okay. Yeah, I'm really okay, you know. So much pepper. I see it behind the tissue. Let me see if it could come off, or is it permanent? Let me see if it's permanent. Oh, it's not. Oh, this stuff is stuck here. There we go. We can just wipe it with this tissue. We put it all in this pile. But yeah, just put this in a pile. So perfect. Now this can't be a mess anymore. And no one can see. Oh, not me. No, we can't keep any of this stuff right now. So soon later on, we will find a way to do this because, like, this is like, really bad. Like, yeah, that's really bad. Dr. Hamilton, oh my gosh, I'm gonna freak out! Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can throw this! Tables on the floor! Yeah! Wasn't I supposed to do it? Okay, bye! Okay, shot. Okay, I'm done. Mom, I did it! Okay, sweetie, we're leaving. Yeah, this is a disaster. A disaster. Come on, everybody, let's go. Yeah, come on, sweetie, let's go get your medicine. Okay. What are we gonna do now? Now it's gonna have to be closed for a while because of this pepper, and then everybody's gonna sneeze. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. It's okay. If you don't have to worry, you just say hello with me. Okay, I lost my breath. Yeah. You blew me away. Dr. Hamilton, oh my gosh. Dr. Hamilton, it's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave too. Come on, Dr. Hamilton, there's no time to waste. You gotta get home and get rid of those sniffles, okay? Excuse me for a minute. Choo! Okay, come on. Okay.